Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X7 vs GLS 600, which is better. I will focus on performance, interior comfort, technology, and ownership costs, so you can decide quickly and confidently. I'll point out real-world differences in ride quality, cargo space, and driver assists. Follow along as we break down powertrains, seating configurations, fuel expectations, and overall ownership impressions to reach a clear recommendation. Let's talk performance in a friendly, straightforward way so you get the feel without jargon. The BMW X7 leans toward dynamic handling and sharper responses around corners, while the GLS 600 favors composed cruising and effortless highway stability. We'll compare engine outputs, throttle feel, and ride tuning to show which suits spirited driving versus relaxed comfort. I'll also mention towing numbers and braking confidence to round out the driving picture. Hey, if this comparison is helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that stack neatly, keep salads crisp, and prevent spills in your trunk after grocery runs. They're great for packing lunches when you're testing SUVs or cruising between showrooms. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Inside matters, so I'll walk you through cabin feel and tech without being dry or technical. The BMW X7 centers the driver with crisp displays and sporty seating, while the GLS 600 emphasizes rear seat luxury and soft materials for passengers. We'll compare screen layouts, sound systems, cargo versatility, and seating flexibility to help you choose based on family needs or driver focus. Expect clear notes on practicality and comfort compromises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.